Hello guys, in this video we're going to be breaking down the steps that we follow in order to set up Klaviyo Action Automation for Workflows, one of our workflow apps that you're about to install within your agency and connect it to your Klaviyo account and then start executing actions regularly from your workflow. So let's get started. At your agency level, you go to App Marketplace to search for the app market. So we search for Klaviyo. Click on it, install. We select the sub account where we want the tools to be installed. Let's go for sub account one. Continue, allow install. We automatically open this new window in order to copy the custom menu link. So we click here to copy. Make sure it's copied, and then we switch back to the agency in order to create a custom menu link. Back in the agency, we go at the settings and then custom menu links, create new. We have to fill this form, and we're going to start by selecting an icon for our custom menu link. We have a different icons here. We select and then we come here, we type the name for our custom menu link. How do we want to name our custom menu link? By the way, we decided to name our custom menu link Greg Apps. Here you paste the custom menu link URL that you copied. Done. Come here to select an account where you want all the tools to be available. And choose if you want to grant access to a particular user or to all users. When you're done, you make sure you save. The next step is to switch the sub account in order to connect the tool to your Klaviyo platform. Let's do it right away. Inside the sub account, we are going to look for the custom menu link. Remember, I told you that we named our custom menu link Greg Apps. So if you guys named your custom menu link my tools, make sure you have my tools here. So we go on Grey Apps. We have apps available and connected apps. So we're gonna search for Klaviyo. We have Klaviyo. Now we're gonna set it up. So we go to setup, and there's an API key required in order to get the installation going. But before we go any further though, you notice you can read here how to get your API key actually. If you click on it, it's gonna lead you to a smart queue showing you how to get that key. But let's do it together. We're gonna switch to our Klaviyo platform. Let's do it right away. Inside Klaviyo, we come down here, we go at the settings and then API keys. Scroll down here, we go at create API key. We already have some API keys created here, but let's create a new one. Let's say my keys, and we go check here, full access key, and we go on create. It has been created. Here we go. We copy, back, paste, we submit. Now let's go and check on connected apps. Bingo. Now the tool is connected to our Klaviyo platform. So we can start executing actions directly from the workflow. So guys, if you ever have any question, feel free to reach out. We have a very dedicated support team who is also available 24/7 to answer to all your questions. If you did enjoy this video at some point, don't forget to give a thumbs up. And if you're new here, don't forget to click the subscribe button below. Thank you for watching.